Pause this video for a second. Look at my face right now. Study it. The way I talk, move, blink. Here's the truth. I'm not real. I'm an AI avatar.
So we're going to create a realistic AI avatar from scratch, generate a photo with OpenArt and turn it into talking avatar using HeyGen. So let's start with the step 1, which is creating your face. Head to openart.ai and create an account. Once you're in this sidebar, find the image section and click on this create now button. Now here you'll find this model where you'll click on this switch button and search for a model called OpenArt Photorealistic and select that. Now all you have to do is describe the facial features and overall look of the photo that you want to create. So here I've added my prompt which describes the age, ethnicity, facial feature, etc. And I'm going to turn the auto enhance option on and reduce the number of image to 1 and select the size of image to be widescreen, that is 16:9, and I'm going to create it now. So this is the result that it has generated, and check this out. It looks really realistic unlike the other models which create a plastic like skin. Now all I have to do is download this image and let's move on to our next step, turning our image into a talking avatar. We'll be using HeyGen and they have free trial, perfect for testing. So create your account and once you're in the sidebar, click on this avatar option. Here select the second option which is to upload the image. So click on upload photo and select the image that you have just downloaded and quickly click on this upload button. You can either select a single pic or upload multiple pictures to create different avatar. I'm going to stick with one and continuing. Now I can add in the details of this avatar and click on the continue button. Now this is the crucial part where you have to select a voice for your avatar. You'll have a few top matches right here which you can listen into by clicking on this play button like this.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Once you select an appropriate voice for your avatar, you can go ahead, click on this next button, and now your avatar is ready. Now to actually create videos with it, we'll have to import it into the AI Studio. Click on this create video with avatar button, which will take it to the AI Studio. In the AI Studio, on the left side, we have the script tab where we'll enter in our script. Here we have a little preview and this is the settings of our avatar. So first off, I would like to add in my script. So I've added in the introduction to my video. Now I'm going to adjust this script right here because I want a little pause after this sentence right here. So I'm going to add in a pause. You can find that below your script and here you can define the time of your pause. So I'm going to add one right here as well. So I've added another scene. Now let's talk about this avatar setting. You have the avatar here. So if you have selected more than one image, you can change up the look of your avatar from here. Next, you have the option to change the voice and customize the background. You even have the option to add in media to your video, but as of now, we don't require that, but let me show it to you for once. So this is the media that will be uploaded, and here in the script, you can adjust when do you want it to stop appearing on your screen. And if you want, you can even set it as the background. Next, you can add in music as well. So I've added this music to my script, and this is hands down the most important setting, which is the captions. This have the ability to make your videos more engaging as well as easier to understand to your audience. So I'm going to add in this caption right here, and again I'm going to drag this over to the bottom so it's more visible, and you can even customize the background color as well as the highlight and text color here, even the font size and the font of this text. Once you are done with all your edits, I'm just going to generate this video. Click on this generate button. Here you can change the settings like the destination of your video and the resolution as well as the format. Once that's done, click on the submit button and the generation might take a while. Our video is ready and here's the result. So you can check it out.
About it. Maybe you've even used it. That incredibly smart AI that can write stories.
Now you can download this by clicking on this download button right here and also download the caption files from here. And that's how you just create professional video without ever touching a camera. A quick tip: Before we wrap, generate 3-4 avatar option, test which one resonates with your audience, and different faces perform differently. So choose the one that works for you. And this just unlocked a new content strategy for you. Smash that like button and subscribe. Comment below what kind of videos are you going to make using your AI avatar. Your avatar is waiting. Go build it.